You were significant influencers. You are inspiring. With your voice, baka naman meron ng pag-asa. Sana kayo ang matagal nang hinihintay na pagbabago. Swerte rin palang inyong batch dahil sa pandemic, hindi na kayo ni-require na mag-UPCAT. Otherwise, the data is daunting. For 2025, only 13% or only 13 out of every 100 students who took the UPCAT passed. It cannot be denied that a UP education is a privilege with the best teachers and learning resources. And may I add, lambing lang naman to, at the expense of Filipino taxpayers, kahit yung mga hirap sa buhay. Oo, sinusumbatan ko kayo, kinukonsensya. Gentle reminder lang naman. Imposibleng hindi nyo sila mapapansin. The faces that you see on the streets, struggling to get to work, to make both ends meet, or just to make it home. Maaring kayo rin mismo at ang inyong mga magulang, day in, day out, mga mandirigma sa kalsada at sa buhay. Oo,